change. No brake, not for now. Not for now. Now maybe, yeah. Less brake pressure. Less brake pressure. Less brake pressure. Good, keep rolling up. Good job. Perfect. So you can smooth things out, remember?
Oh yeah,
yeah.
Yeah. Wonderful. More time to prepare for stuff as well.
Good.
So you're not rushing.
Perfect. Where do you think this taxi's going? You've been following us. Do you think he's nipped in there to go ahead from that lane?
Yeah, probably. Or he's not using his indicators.
Look at his position on the road in relation to that line, though, Adam.
Yeah.
Is he close to our side?
Yeah.
Big time. Is he slightly pointed this way as well? So all these little clues are telling me that he's going to cut in front. Okay. Off we go. It's obvious, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. But expect that from the clues that we talked about, alright? It goes like that, to be honest, mate. They think that they're in a rush everywhere, but we'll soon see when we get up to the next set of lights.
Oh, it's going to be in the same place.
It'll be in the same place.
Yeah.
It'll just be one car in front, that's all. They're not clever enough to understand that. And I'm not just saying taxi drivers, some of them can be really impatient and uneducated within driving as well.
Oh, yeah.
But it can be anyone, mate. Look for little clues, so therefore you're always a step ahead.
Yeah.
Yeah? Perfect.